Hello, so this is a potato pakora recipe. It's one of Aslam Bhai's recipes, which is why there is a video on it. So for this particular recipe, you are going to need 2 potatoes, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 2.5 serving spoons of besan. Wash, peel and slice your potatoes. We like ours a little bit thick. Sometimes we have them a bit thin. Once you've washed them, soak them in water whilst you get your gram flour and spice mixture ready. This is the serving spoon we used, and we used 2.5 spoons of gram flour / besan. And then these are the spices. So we've got coriander powder, chili powder and salt. Add them all together and then mix them. Once you've mixed them, we're going to add some water. I've got a glass of water that I'm going to be pouring slowly and mixing. I've got a little sous chef here to help me. Look at those little hands doing the mixing. Once your batter is nice and smooth, add your potatoes to it and just try to make sure that your potatoes are nicely soaked in the batter. Next, we're going to heat some oil and then add our pakoras to the oil and let them fry. Cook them until they are nice and golden, and yeah, that's it. Simple, easy, they're not spicy, they're great for children and for people who have dietary requirements and can't have spicy food. So yeah, there's the potato pakora that Aslam Bhai makes during Ramadan.